In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a recurring invoice in QuickBooks Online. If you regularly bill the same customer for the same products or services, setting up a recurring invoice can save a lot of time and help you stay consistent with your billing. Instead of creating the same invoice over and over again, QuickBooks can automate that process for you. To get started, open QuickBooks Online. Once you're in, look for the Create button and click it. From the menu that appears, choose Invoice. This will open a new invoice screen where you can begin setting everything up. Next, go to the Manage option on the invoice page. Inside that area, click Scheduling. This is where you'll find the settings that allow you to turn a standard invoice into a recurring one. Now turn on the Make Invoice Recurring option. After enabling it, select OK to confirm. This tells QuickBooks that this invoice should repeat automatically based on the schedule you choose. Once recurring invoicing is enabled, set up the schedule details. Start by entering a template name. This should be something clear and easy to recognize later, especially if you plan to create multiple recurring invoices. Then choose the type and set the interval. The type controls how the recurring invoice behaves, and the interval determines how often it will repeat, such as weekly, monthly, or on another regular timeline that fits your billing cycle. After that, complete the invoice itself by entering the customer name, the products or services being billed, and the pricing details. Take your time here and make sure everything is accurate, because these details will repeat every billing cycle. If there's a mistake in the amount, item, or customer information, that same mistake can continue each time the invoice is generated. It's a good idea to double check the invoice before saving, especially the recurring schedule and billing amounts. When everything looks correct, click Save Template to finish. That will store the recurring invoice setup and allow QuickBooks Online to use those settings going forward. And that's it. You've successfully created a recurring invoice in QuickBooks Online. This is a simple but powerful feature that can help streamline repeat billing, reduce manual work, and keep your invoicing process organized. If you use recurring charges often, this setup can make a big difference in your day-to-day workflow.